In this video, we are going to focus on mastering a variety of Chocktaws, challenging steps that skaters use to elevate the difficulty of their footwork and transitions between elements. We will work on forward outside to backward inside Chocktaws as well as forward inside to backward outside Chocktaws, exploring different free leg positions to improve precision and control. Are you ready for an excellent warm-up? Let's get started. Our first Chocktaw will be a forward outside to backward inside Chocktaw followed by a backward crossover. We'll repeat the same foot multiple times to focus on precision and achieving deeper edges. Then we will switch to other foot and repeat it again. During this exercise, pay attention to your body position before the Chocktaw. Keep your opposite arm and free leg in front of you. Lean your shoulders into the circle with your upper body twisted outside of the circle. Bring your feet closer together during the transition and check your shoulders back as you step into the backward inside edge. Keep your free leg straight and in front of you while you're gliding on a backward inside edge. Then you are going to follow with a backward crossover, step onto the forward outside edge and start again. Focus on proper body alignment, deep edges, and extension while you're working on this exercise. Now we are going to take the second part of the Chocktaw and start with an inside Mohawk followed by a transition from backward inside to forward outside Chocktaw, focusing on clean edge transitions and execution. Start with forward crossover followed by forward inside to backward inside Mohawk, and then transition from backward inside to forward outside Chocktaw. Continue with forward crossover, keeping your knees and ankles bent, extend your free leg, and working with your shoulders and hips in opposite direction during Chocktaw transition. The next Chocktaw will be forward inside to backward outside, followed by push under and forward crossover. We'll start this with glide on the forward inside edge with your free leg in front, turn out and pointed, and your shoulders and upper body turn into the circle before Chocktaw. Then you step with your feet turn out into the backward outside edge, checking your shoulders back and keeping your free leg behind. Then you are going to do a cross under step into a forward crossover on the second half circle and start again from the same leg. The next part of that Chocktaw will be a backward outside to forward inside Chocktaw transition with a 3-step inside Mohawk in between. At this time, keep your free leg behind while gliding on the backward outside edge and turn your upper body outside of circle to transition into the next circle on the forward inside edge. Check your shoulders back and keep your free leg in front after the Chocktaw. Then do another 3-step inside Mohawk, forward inside to backward inside, push to a backward outside edge, and move into the next Chocktaw. Bend your knees and ankles as soon as you step into forward inside edge, glide for half circle, and then start from Mohawk again. Now we are going to reverse the free leg position and do a forward inside to backward outside Chocktaw with your free leg behind before the Chocktaw, and then in front after the transition on the backward outside edge. Follow this with a backward outside 3-turn and a couple of inside edges to maintain power. Twist your upper body into the circle before the Chocktaw, keep your free leg behind, step into backward outside edge, check your shoulders outside of the circle, then do a backward outside 3-turn to finish the half circle. Step onto the inside edge a couple of times and then start this exercise again. For the backward outside to forward inside transition, we are now going to start with your free leg in front on the backward outside edge, followed by stepping onto the forward inside edge with your free leg behind. Then we are going to do the forward inside to backward inside Mohawk, push to the backward outside edge and start again. Rotate outside of the circle with your upper body, keep your free leg in front, then step onto the forward inside edge with your free leg behind. Complete the half circle gliding on forward inside edge and then step into the next circle to start forward inside to backward inside Mohawk. Push to the backward outside edge and repeat the exercise. Chocktaws are very difficult steps to execute. They require proper alignment, timing, and edge control. Without this, they can easily turn into Mohawks due to incorrect timing, foot placement, or improper body lean. Even high-level experienced skaters make these mistakes. Let's look at a couple of examples. In this Chocktaw, the skater placed her free leg on the same circle too early, before her upper body was ready to step into the next circle. As a result, she performed a forward inside Mohawk instead of a forward inside to backward outside Chocktaw. In this next example, the skater attempted a forward outside to backward inside Chocktaw. However, she moved her upper body into the next circle too early, and as a result, she switched her edge from forward outside to forward inside before stepping backward, which turned the Chocktaw into a forward inside Mohawk. Now let's look at the nearly perfect execution of the Chocktaws with the same skaters. I will start with the forward outside to backward inside Chocktaw. As we watch in slow motion, you can see the upper body leaning into the circle during the transition, which allows the skater to stay on the outside edge. The free foot remains close to the skating leg during the transition, stepping onto the backward inside edge. Only then does the skater lift their free leg from the outside edge, leaning their shoulders into the next circle. This demonstrates perfect timing for this Chocktaw. The same precision can be seen on the other foot. The shoulders and hips align nicely with the circle on the forward outside edge. The skater steps into the backward inside edge while still gliding on the forward outside edge with other foot. The outside edge pickup is clearly visible, followed by a smooth weight shift with the upper body into the next circle, continuing to glide on the backward inside edge. For the forward inside to backward outside Chocktaw, the skater holds the inside edge with their shoulders aligned with the circle. They start moving their upper body into the next circle to prepare for the step onto the backward outside edge. The transition onto the backward outside edge is clean with nicely bent knees and ankles. You can clearly see the difference in the transitions between each Chocktaw. These advanced steps are built on a strong foundation of basic skating skills, which are essential for executing transitions, footwork, and elements with precision. That is why I have created a comprehensive online course, Figure Skating Foundations, available on my website, styleskating.com. In this course, I provide detailed tutorials, step-by-step explanations, targeted exercises, and insights into common mistakes for all basic skating movements. Building a solid foundation on the ice is the key to progressing with confidence and control. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.